English Club. Welcome back to Online English Club. Essential vocabulary and practical conversations. Booking a plane ticket in advance. Hello everyone and welcome to our travel tip series. Today we'll learn how to book a plane ticket step by step. Whether you're a seasonal traveler or it's your first time flying, this video will guide you through the process with essential vocabulary and ready-made dialogues. Let's dive into the vocabulary. Flight, the journey of a plane from one place to another. When you book a ticket, you are reserving a seat on a specific flight that will take you to your destination. Departure, the act of leaving or starting a journey. Departure refers to the time when the plane is scheduled to take off from the airport. Destination, the place where you're going or intend to reach. When booking a ticket, you need to specify your destination, which is the city or airport you wish to travel to. Return ticket, a ticket for both the outbound and inbound flights. A return ticket allows you to book a flight to your destination and a separate flight back to your starting point. A single ticket, a ticket for a single journey without the return option. A single ticket is suitable if you only need to travel to your destination without any plans of returning. Layover, a stop at an intermediate airport during a connecting flight. During a layover, you stay at the airport for a specific duration before boarding the next flight to your destination. Direct flight, a non-stop flight between two destinations. A direct flight takes you from your departure airport to your destination without any layovers or stops. Connecting flight, a flight that requires a layover, a stop in another city before reaching the final destination. Connecting flights are often cheaper but may extend travel time due to the layover. Seat preference, choosing a specific type of seat on the plane. Seat preferences may include window seats, aisle seats, or seats with extra legroom. Baggage allowance, the maximum weight and number of bags you can carry on the flight without additional fees. Airlines have specific baggage allowances for both checked luggage and carry-on bags. Payment confirmation, verification that your payment has been processed successfully. After making the payment, you should receive a confirmation that your ticket has been booked and payment has been accepted. Boarding pass, a document that allows you to board the plane. You receive the boarding pass after checking in for your flight, and it contains important details like your seat number or boarding time. Travel insurance, coverage that protects you from potential risks and emergencies during your trip. Travel insurance provides benefits such as medical coverage, trip cancellations, and lost baggage protection. Now let's put our listening skills to the test. Listen carefully to the following dialogue and do the test. Good afternoon. I'm planning a trip to Paris in 3 months and I'd like to book my plane ticket in advance. Good afternoon. I'll be happy to assist you with that. Paris is a wonderful destination choice. Let's get started. When exactly do you plan to travel? I'll be flying out on the 15th of October and returning on the 30th of October. Great! A 2-week trip to Paris sounds fantastic. Now, would you prefer a direct flight or a connection flight? I'd prefer a direct flight, if possible. It's more convenient for me. Sure, let me check for direct flights. We have a few direct flights available on your preferred dates. One is in the morning, departing at 9:30 a.m. and the other is in the evening, departing at 7 p.m. Which one do you prefer? The morning flight at 9:30 a.m. works better for me. Please book that one. Noted. The morning flight it is. Now, do you have any seat preferences? Window seat, aisle seat, or maybe extra legroom? I usually prefer a window seat so I can enjoy the view during the flight. Sure thing, I've selected a window seat for you. Now, let's discuss your baggage needs. How many checked bags will you be taking? I'll be carrying one checked bag and a carry-on. Perfect. I'll add one checked bag to your booking and the carry-on is usually included in the ticket. Now, would you like to include travel insurance for your trip? It provides coverage for unexpected situations. Yes, I think that is a good idea. Please add travel insurance as well. Great decision. Travel insurance can provide peace of mind during your trip. Now let's proceed with the payment. Do you have a preferred method of payment? I'll pay with my credit card. Perfect. Please provide me with your credit card details and I'll process the payment. Your ticket is booked. You'll receive the e-ticket and booking confirmation in your email shortly. Thank you so much for your help. I'm really excited about this trip. You're welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you. Have a fantastic time in Paris, and if you need any more help or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Goodbye. Let's answer the questions. Question 1. What is the traveler's destination? Paris, London, Rome, New York? The correct answer is A. Paris. Question 2. Why does the traveler prefer a direct flight? A. It's cheaper. B. It's more convenient. C. It allows more luggage. D. It has better in-flight entertainment. The correct answer is variant B. It's more convenient. Question 3. How many checked bags will the traveler be taking? A. None. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is variant B. 1. Question 4. What did the traveler decide to add to their booking? A. Travel insurance. B. Extra meals. C. Airport transfer. D. Lounge access. The correct answer is variant A. Travel insurance. Match the words with their definitions. Pause the video and do the task. Let's check the answers. Good job! Thank you for joining us today. Remember to practice using these words and phrases in real-life situations. Stay healthy and see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.